In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be done through the dash. Let's get started. Install the key into the ignition. Before turning it, press and hold this O/set button. We're going to press and hold this, and as we do that, we're going to turn our key to the on position without our foot on the brake. This is going to pull up a menu for service. Do you really want to reset your oil life? Hit OK on the steering wheel, and you're reset. Turn the key off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.